Want to keep your Google Drive files more secure? While Google Drive doesn't let you add a password directly to individual files, there are several effective ways to protect sensitive documents before sharing them. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect files in Google Drive in 2026 and explain the best alternatives available. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that Google Drive itself doesn't provide a built-in option to add a password to an individual file. Instead, security is mainly controlled through Google account authentication and file sharing permissions. For the safest sharing method, open the Share settings and set General Access to Restricted. Then invite only the specific people who should have access. This is the easiest way to keep files private inside Google Drive. Next, choose the appropriate permission level for each person. Viewer lets people read the file, Commenter allows feedback, and Editor gives full editing access. Only grant editing permissions when they're actually necessary. If you need true password protection, encrypt the file before uploading it to Google Drive. Many file compression and encryption tools allow you to create a password-protected archive. This means anyone downloading the file will need the password before they can open it. After uploading the encrypted file, avoid sending the password through the same message as the file link. Instead, share the password through a separate trusted method. This adds another layer of protection for sensitive information. Finally, review your file sharing permissions from time to time. Remove access for people who no longer need the file and keep your sharing list up to date. So, combining restricted sharing with encrypted files gives you much stronger protection. And that's how to password protect files in Google Drive. While Drive doesn't support direct file passwords, using restricted sharing together with file encryption gives you a strong level of security. I mean, it only takes a few extra minutes, but it can make a big difference in protecting your important files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.